2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 V8, 5.3 liter. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then a third converter there that everybody hates. Then we did a magnaflow magna pack, and you can see the link in the description if you want to get one. Then it's wired out into duals with mandrel pen pipes right there, right there, right there, into 4-inch tips out the back. Black roll tips right there and right there. If you guys want the tips, you can see the link in the description also for the muffler or the tips. That's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Sound decibels about 102, 103. And it idles about 75. Not too bad. That looks good with that. The color of the truck, those black tips look really good.
Yeah, I was telling them I just got one more part on the mustache to de-chrome.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna work on that too whenever
Welcome to Tennessee, the rain. Let you guys hear on the inside. '18 GMC Sierra 4x4 Z71 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there, and unfortunately it comes with the third converter there. What we put on it is a Flowmaster Delta 40. He didn't want it too loud. If you guys want that, there'll be a link in the description. And a secondary, we left the secondary resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud again. And put him a 4-inch tip, stainless steel, double wall, right there. And there's the muffler we cut off, right there. And we always take that baffle out because it makes it not too quiet. But we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. GMC Sierra. Give it gas. Go ahead and back it up. You want it louder than that?
like with the resonators on.
That has a resonator on.
Yeah, I don't like that with the resonator on.
Okay. Make it holla, holla, holla. makes it's not raspy because it's got that resonator on it. Oh yeah, it's perfect. You like it?
Yeah.
'Alright, we'll let you guys hear on the inside.
Inside this Chevy Silverado 1500. Let you guys hear it. Just did a muffler delete on it. It's got a little growl to it, not too loud. Better than quiet though.
'2009 Chevy Silverado 4-door 5.37 G71. I don't know why I said 7, but okay. What we got done, the usual. Stock converter there. Stock converter there. Wise into single. Then it's got a third converter. Anytime you see that third converter right there, what you want to put on it is a Super 10. You never want to put a 40 series on it, because it will be very, very quiet, almost stock. So you put a Super 10, and the nice thing about Super 10, as you guys can see, is really tiny. It's a single chambered muffler, 3-inch to 2.5 outlet. Then we put 2.25 tailpipes straight out the back. That gives it 4.5 inches of flow, right there and right there. And then we did 3.5-inch roll tips out the back, just clean, really smooth. Come out really, really nice right there. There's a Super 10. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in the magic of YouTube in a second. Got the nice black badge on it. They changed it out. Oh yeah, never disappoints. That's what it sounds like at idle. LT edition, Silverado 5.3 liter. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You always want to tuck them because with a truck, you don't want them sticking out. They don't look good and you can cut yourself. So we showed you guys before how it sounded. Now we'll show you what we got done on it and we'll let you hear it. So it's 14, still got the factory converters. One there, and a third one right there. Then a flex pipe, then 2.5-inch pipe. Then we put a Y pipe duals, 2.5 to 2.25. Mandrel pin tailpipes, there and there. Into 4-inch roll tips. right there, and right there. Got a nice, what is it, 6-inch lift? It's got a nice 6-inch lift. There it is. That's how you dual them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. Sound decibels again. Right at 102. Not too bad.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, it's perfect.
He's like 100 to 105.
Yeah. Next, you got a true dueler. If it wasn't for that damn third cat, we would.
I don't know why we do it. It sounds really good though.
The newer ones, man, we've done a few new ones.
Yeah.
They don't have a third cat.
Really?
Yeah. They went back to two
I
cats.
didn't know they changed it.
Yeah. Finally, we've been waiting on it.
No kidding. It's been a while.
The third cat takes a lot of their aspiness away.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
just smooth.
Yeah.
All right, let you guys hear on the inside. Beautiful. 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys today. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. And it's got the dreaded third cat that everybody hates. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe. And then we put a baby Dynomax bullet. Part number 24249. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. Right there. And then we continue. We took the rest of the muffler off. And we left the resonator on it on the back right there. And left the same exhaust pipe. Stock. He just wanted the stock look. He just wanted some sound. So there it is. And there's the Dynomax bullet. The baby one. We'll call it the Dynomax pellet instead of bullet. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado LT. So we went and also put a black tip. We raised it back up and put a black tip on it. Give it gas. You want louder? It's a really nice growl. See that? Yeah, that tip completes it. That's a sound decibel meter too. Go ahead. About 98. That's perfect. We can make it louder. We gotta do yours next. We gotta do your Tahoe next. Huh? Like you heard. See, when it's sitting still, it's like it purrs, but not a lot. But when you get down on it, it goes. let you guys hear it on the inside. ...2018, sorry guys, not 17. 2018 Chevy Z71. Dynomax Bullet.